you mounted this in your barn. It's on the wall. You take these sensors, you hang them, you turn the gateway on, you're ready to go, they're talking. But let's say you bought an additional sensor, and we want to take this sensor and pair it to this gateway. So for sake of demonstration here in our warehouse, we're going to plug in the gateway and we're going to power it on. And there's two buttons on the gateway. One is the power button, the green button. The other is the pairing button. We're going to power the gateway on. Go ahead and take out our new sensor. What we're going to do here is we're going to unscrew the capsule, and inside you will see the brains of the sensor. Battery is already included, last up to 2 years. They're ready to go. The ones that came in your starter kit are on, ready to go. Here, with the additional sensor, there's two buttons on the circuit board. One is the power button. You can see in very small letters, it says off and on. And one is the pairing button, and we'll only need to do this once. So we're going to flip that to on, and then we're going to hold this button and the pairing button until we see a red light on the circuit board. So I'll press this, and I will press down on that black button, and we'll wait about 10 seconds. We'll see a red light flash, just like that. We're paired. Slide the circuit board back in, put the capsule back together, go hang it in your barn. We're done.